Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to cover the biggest headlines in the crypto space. There is so much happening and it's difficult to keep up to date on everything. So I've got the most important pieces of news that I think everybody needs to be made aware of. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Don't forget to join us in the Discord. Link is in the description of the video. Free to join. Over 7,000 people supporting one another navigate this space safely. Definitely worth jumping down into the Discord and having more meaningful conversations with Nick, myself, and our team and our fantastic community. Go check it out, link down below. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally is up 1.06% in the past 24 hours and stands at $1.41 trillion, with Bitcoin at 37,630.54, up 2.56% in the last 7 days, but 2.72 in the last 24 hours. So a lot going on, and Ethereum above $2,000 again. Fantastic to see, up 4.19% in the past 24 hours. Right, there's a lot to cover off. Let's get into the headlines. So the first thing that I want to talk about here is the crypto exchange Bullish completes purchase of CoinDesk. Bullish, which was formerly run by the NYSE president, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗪, bought 100% of CoinDesk from crypto-focused investor DCG in an all-cash deal. So look, this stuff's really, really interesting. We are seeing people in this space purchasing the news outlets. And we want to be really careful here because there is manipulation and some of these things that are happening. You know, we've seen the fake XRP spot ETF. I wouldn't be surprised. I'm not suggesting this particular news outlet was one involved, but we are seeing people purchasing these news outlets and utilizing them to basically make money out of retail, posting trades to potentially fraudulently move the market. And we want to be really careful. This is something that we need to be keeping an eye on. I don't really like the idea of an exchange owning the media outlets. So I think we need decentralized news outlets. I think this is something that will be really big in the future. Keep your eyes out for those. So yeah, look, one to be aware of, and be careful what news you're consuming. We got MasterCard doubles down on effort to detect and tackle crypto fraud with AI tie-ups. Again, really, really cool stuff. And the one thing that you've got to say about traditional finance companies coming into the crypto space, like MasterCard, like Visa, and various others, is there is going to be this limelight shone on this area of problem when it comes to blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. The fraudulent bad actor aspect of things is a real issue plaguing cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, and it needs to be eradicated. And I think some of these traditional finance companies with wealths of experience, right, they are all going to support blockchain get to where it needs to be. And I feel very, very confident, particularly seeing the spot ETFs and the likes of BlackRock, ARK Invest, and JP Morgan, and all these big monstrous size institutional companies getting involved in Bitcoin, Ethereum, which is just going to lead to other altcoins like Cardano, Chainlink, and various others. Like it's the start of I guess the next phase of adoption. And MasterCard and Visa and other financial institutions, with the amount of experience they've got, are going to play a big pivotal role in basically keeping blockchain safe for many people. So like seeing this stuff, I think it's really good. We got a new president in Argentina, and he is a massive Bitcoin fan. So expect Argentina to follow in the footsteps of some other countries that we've seen that are going fully behind Bitcoin. It's going to be really interesting to see how this develops over time, and it might be why we're seeing a bit of a move to the upside. We got crypto hiring. Binance parts ways with multiple anti-crime staffers. So they've basically alleviated a large number of staff that were basically working on the anti-crime aspect of things within crypto. And we have seen this team do some remarkable work recovering people's funds and supporting other projects in the crypto space. So real shame to see this, but at the same time, I'm pretty sure they're going to get snapped up by other companies. Crypto ETP volumes surged 91%, outpacing underlying assets, according to reports. Bitcoin accounted for 75% of the total crypto ETP AUM between January and October 2023, according to a public listed crypto firm. Again, really interesting stuff. I'm going to drop this in our Discord for people to read through at their leisure. Talking about traditional banking and finance, Santander Private Bank introduces Bitcoin Ethereum trading for clients in Switzerland. Funny story, a long time ago I was purchasing some XRP, and I was trying to get some money from my bank at the time with Santander onto Coinbase, and they stopped the payment, told me I had to ring them. I rung them. The lady was reading this script to me about how risky crypto was, and I just said, well, it's good enough for you, it's good enough for me. You haven't asked me what I was looking to buy, and you're partnered with Ripple. So Santander, like, massively into blockchain and crypto, seeing this again is really, really positive. And it's just signs of things that we're going to see in the future. So I want to be really clear that this is all really exciting stuff. And, if you weren't about in the bear market, you should have been. There's a lot of people that are, basically fucking up the biggest opportunity that they're ever going to get in life. I think blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, if you invest in the right projects with real world utility that are going to be here for the next 10, 20, 30 years, then, you're doing remarkably well. This, for me, is the biggest opportunity that we're going to see in history. And it's not the first time that I've said this. I've been saying this for multiple years. You don't want generations of generations talking about how you fucked up this huge opportunity and have them asking where you were and what the hell you were doing. This, for me, is an opportunity to build generational level wealth like people can't even comprehend right now. Bitcoin, spot ETFs, Ethereum spot ETFs, and we know damn well, I'm so confident that other altcoins will see ETFs in the future. This is just the beginning of a new phase of adoption for cryptocurrency. Don't fuck it up. Be present, do research, and make sure that you invest in the right projects. Take everything that anybody says on YouTube or Twitter with a pinch of salt. You've got to do your own research, and I think if you do that, you pick the right projects for the long term, then you're going to do really, really well. That's my opinion. Obviously, this should be treated as entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Treat it as educational purposes only. You do you, I will do me. So the active supply of Bitcoin and Ethereum is at record lows. But on the flip side, if you consider, supply and demand, the demand is at, not an all-time high, but it's at a high. Only 30% of Bitcoin and 39% of Ether have moved in the past year. And, this is the lowest volume on record since data collected began in 2017. So look, I want people to be aware of this stuff. I want people to know that this is a really big, monstrous opportunity. like I think once the ETFs and stuff are all successfully passed and we start to see that money flow in from some of these big players in the space, I think we're not going to see a 20k Bitcoin ever again. Now, I do think, with that said, we've got, some lower prices to see than what we're seeing today. But I think that will be the final time. So, the time is ticking is kind of my message for everybody watching. If you want to find out more about our thoughts, our opinions, and I do want to add, we've been very accurate in this bear market, called every single low that we've had. We've, against, everyone telling us that, there's this indicator, that indicator, telling us we were wrong. We've made impeccable calls and decisions in this bear market, and I don't think that that's something that's going to change in the short to medium term. So, are we going to get everything right? No, but you definitely want to, at least listen to what we've got to say. Jump down in the Discord at an absolute bare minimum. Check out the membership at 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗦. There's a 7-day free trial. So you've got nothing to lose. Test it, see if there's value there. And, we work tirelessly, I have a whole team to support you, with technical analysis, courses available, AMAs, TA AMAs. So if you're struggling with stuff, you can, utilize our team's expertise, buy zones. So, the most optimum prices to be paying for your altcoins that you've done your research on and so on. So there's so much value there, a fraction of what it should, we should be charging, and we do that because we want to lower the barrier to entry and get as many people the support that they require to be successful in this space. And I do passionately believe everything that I'm saying here, right? We don't do promotional videos for projects and stuff like that. We've never been involved in any rug pulls, or when I say involved, we haven't invested in any, we haven't highlighted any. And we certainly haven't been involved in any. So we are the most honest, transparent channel you're gonna ever come across on YouTube. The hardest working. I think we're almost the biggest by number of videos that we've put out on YouTube when it comes to crypto channels. So we're the hardest working channel, second to none. Go check it out. Link is in the description of the video. It's a free trial. Go ask the members if you don't want to do the free trial without getting some feedback. See what they say. They are in the Discord. But I do recommend doing it. Now, what I do want to say is it's obviously Black Friday. We got some links down in the description of this video for Ledger. Obviously, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. Definitely worth investing in a hardware wallet. You can get up to $50 in Bitcoin just for purchasing one of the ledgers using our affiliate link down below. The other one that we've got here, because we want to support many different companies that support people keep their crypto safe. We've got Keystone, again up to 37% off on the family bundle here. 9 hours 46 minutes at the time of recording to go. Definitely worth checking it out. We do like both of these devices. And there is a video on the channel if you wish to find out more about either of these. And don't forget to stake your ADA to the cheek pool. This supports us and keep the Cardano ecosystem ticking. We've got over 8 million staked so far, and really appreciate everybody delegating so far, but we would love to have you delegate, support us, support Cardano, and we will be supporting Midnight when it goes live, so go check that out. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Covered an awful lot of stuff, and I think I'd like to think that it brings some value to you watching. So I will look to catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed the video, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.